Good afternoon. This is CRS 2019 past question. Question number 37 says, "My father, if it be possible, let this cup pass from me." Then in quotation we have cup in quotation. That is, it means that the cup is our focus in this expression. As used here refers to that. So the cup is metaphorically used in this content. Therefore it is a metaphor of what Jesus Christ was about to pass through as a result to his crucifixion. So option A yes says judgment, that is the cup refers to judgment. Option B, death, that is the cup in content here refers to death. Option C says trial, that is the cup refers to trial. Option D says temptation, that is the cup here in this content refers to temptation. The correct answer here is death, because Jesus Christ was actually praying to God fervently about his death that is at hand at that time. So he was praying, sweating, that if it is possible, let the death or the crucifixion pass him over. But he concluded and submit that let the will of the Father be done. So the cup here refers to death as it is used by Jesus Christ in this expression. So for more information we find this in the book of Matthew chapter 26 verse 39. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.